Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, east at 45 miles per hour. Impact at 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Damage likely to moving homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Henry Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockwood, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, North Central Will County in northeastern Illinois. Miles per hour wind gusts. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Tornado, go at once into the homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox. Wind gusts. Source: Park Forest, Homewood, Alsip, Madison. Tree Club Hills, South Deering, Midlothian, and Hazel Crest. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.